Good morning, dear students. Now we will see how this figure can be drawn. So when you refer the syllabus, this sketch is available. So I will take this as a second one. So you can concentrate here. This is a front view and it is top view. So in front view, this portion you can see, and this portion also you can see. But this portion you cannot see in the front view. But in top view, this portion and this square rectangular block you can see. Okay, so therefore first we will draw this front view, that is from here to here it is 75, from here to height is 15, from here to here it is here it is 75, and down it is again 15. Okay, so I will open this AutoCAD. I will open the previously saved one. I have saved in the desktop. In the folder this figure is available, so this drawing is ready. Okay, this is a figure 1. I will make a line diagram, or I will take a, I will make it a figure 1. I will rename it as, I will take a copy, sorry, first I will take copy this. I will move at the top, this I will move to the top. Okay, it is a chapter. Okay, this one as well as everything should be moved down because it is figure 1. I will edit it, select figure 1. I have selected this. I will make it a font size 5. Okay, so this is ready, or otherwise I will make it 6. I will make it 6. So now it is ready. So similarly I will draw now another figure, that is I have taken copy. So this copy I have taken, I will move somewhere here, enter, and now I will start to draw the figure. So in the front view should be written on the top. So in front view you can draw this rectangle of width 75 and height is 15 mm. So straight away you can take a line command, L, enter, make it ortho on 75 mm length. Okay, and above it is a 15, and left again it is 75, and bottom again it is 15. Enter and escape it 2 times. Now your sketch is ready. So dear students, while drawing this kind of sketches, take a center line also, that is very important. L, enter. So where it is, see, this center line is not indicated, so it is not highlighted in this. What I should do, go to a snap, right click on this, settings, select all this, so that here center is also available, so that now you can highlight this. Yes, this is a center. So or otherwise I will take this center and straight away I will draw one very big line. Okay, so I will take a L, enter here, L, enter. Okay, so it is ready. So whether it is at the center or not, please check. Yes, it is at the center. Okay, so now what I should do, I have to refer this sketch. See, look at this, please concentrate dear students. See, from the center it is having a equal width on left as well as on the right hand side. So total width of this block is a triangle shaped rectangle block is of 45 mm, but it should be from center to 22.5, and from the center to right hand side also 22.5. So therefore what I will do, I will make offset of this. So from center I have to, this figure, this block is kept on this figure block exactly at the center. So it means I have to take offset command from the center only. What I will do, so what is the total width, 45 mm. So I will take a offset command, offset 22.5 on the left hand side and on the right hand side. Okay, afterwards look at this, what is the height from this line, and this line is also same. Why? Because from here to here height is 15, and from here or here to here height is 75, and from this line, this point to this height is 15 mm. So I have to offset this again. So offset command is very helpful in this kind of sketches. So 75 offset, enter, select this, it is 75 mm. Okay, this figure I will move it further to the top. One minute, I will make it ortho is off. Ortho is off. Figure I have to move somewhere at this. Okay, so now and now I have to as you know that I have to make offset from here to here. It is 15 mm offset, it is correct. 15 mm offset means offset command O, enter, take type 15, enter. So from here to here it is 15 mm. So as you know that we have to take a extend command, ex command, ex, enter, select the objects. I would like to extend these two with up to this line, so enter it, and then this you can click, this you can click, so that it is ready. So I have to extend again this line also up to this line. 1 minute, ex command, select this up to this one, enter, and take this, click on this, so that the line is ready. So what I can do, I can make it trim. I can trim this, I can trim this, I can trim, I can trim this. So afterwards, please concentrate from this end to this point. We have to draw a line. Okay, so take a line command, take a line command of this and join this one. Okay, and similarly from here to here it is join this. So afterwards you can erase this, and even this line also you can erase. Okay, so let us check. Yes, this part is ready. So it is a one rectangular block of width 75 to 15, and on this exactly at the center one more block is kept at a distance of 45. It's having a distance of 45, width is 45, and height is from here to here it is 75, from here to here it is above 50. Totally it should be 90 mm, correct. Let us check this, 90 mm is there or not. Dimension from this to make it ortho is on, ortho is on, 75 is ready. Yes, I am correct. Okay, and again you take this one dimension command, and from this point to this point is 15, ready. And from here also you can make a dimension, from here to here it is 15. Okay, so I can erase this, I can erase this. So this you can assume it as a center line. You can change the type of line. Okay, it is a center line. I have made a center line, or otherwise you can change this as a center line. Sorry, it is not necessary. I can take it as a center line like this. Okay, now so front view is ready. So afterwards what I should do, I have to take I have to refer this sketch. I have to see from the top. In the top, this sketch, this is a one rectangle. Here also one rectangle is there, and this rectangle, two rectangles are present exactly at the center of this rectangle. Therefore, initially what I will do, I will take this offset command. What I will do, I will offset this baseline, offset around 30 mm. You can offset it, approximate. Okay, 30 or 40 you can take. Okay, this is ready. So it is having a length of 75. And what is the size of this? When you see from the top, this rectangle, when you see from the top, this length and this rectangular length can be seen. This is having a length of 30 mm, correct. So therefore what I will do, I will take again offset command, offset O, enter, 30 mm, enter. So here to here. So now I will take a line command, I will join this line command, and I have joined. See, afterwards you can go for line command you can take. So you can extend this up to here. Again you can take line command, you can extend it up to this one, correct. So afterwards please concentrate. Why? Because as you know, this is coming down like this is also coming down, and here at the center also, from here to here it is 30, at the center it is 15, from 15 to 7.5, and from center axis to right hand side is 77.5, from center axis to left hand side is 7.5. Total width of this block when you see from the top is 15 mm. Therefore at the center it is 15, but at the outside it is 30. So I will take one line, here at the center. Take a line command at the center of this. I will take a line command and I will make it offset. I will do offset of a 7.5 above and below. So afterwards you can go for trimming. Here you can trim these things, trim 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 also. Afterwards these two can be erased. So then at the center also you can see this one edge is there. This one edge we have to draw. The edge also. What I will do, I will take a line command at the center of this. Here is a center. I will join this. Okay, this line is not required. Correct. This line is not required. So what I will do, I will extend the center line. Here I will draw one small line. I would like to extend it. Extend EX command. Select this one and this one also. Enter. Afterwards we have to extend this center line up to this point. So erase. Okay. This is ready. So afterwards you please concentrate. This is a rectangle of 30 by 75. 30. So I will go for a dimension it. So this dimension is 30 mm and overall length is 75. So this is 75. I would like to make a dimension here. 75 is ready. So this I have to erase it, correct. This one and this one is not required. Here erase it, correct. So this is how we can dimension it. Afterwards the internal part also we have to dimension it. Internal interior. So this one is a 15 mm width. I have to dimension it as 15 mm. As you know that in this figure this is having a 15 mm width. So total width is 15 mm. Width of inside is a 45 mm. I have to show this 45 mm also. What I will do, I will dimension this here. 1 minute. I will break it. BR enter. This line is break. So I can erase, and I have to make a dimension of this. Dimension enter. So here it is 45. It is inside. It is 45. Outside it is 75. Okay, students, you can take this as a figure 2. You can edit it. As a figure 2. Okay, so you can move this. Select it. M enter. Ortho should be off. You can take it here. So that height is 15 mm width. Sorry, height is 15 mm. Here from here to this point is 75. From this point to this point is 15 mm. And when you see from the top, this is a dimension line. Okay, don't get confused. So total width is 75. This rectangle is having 75. One thing you can do here, dimension color you can change. I will show you how to change the color of this. Why? Because you may get confused. So therefore select this, go to properties. There lines and arrows are there. You can take a color of the line as red. You can look at this. And extension line color also you can change it to yellow, or otherwise you can take it as cyan. Cyan is also very important color here, cyan. Okay. And dimension figure I would like to change it as, so minus it. Dimension figure means text color also we can change it to which color we will take it as green. Okay. So afterwards you can escape it and close it. Look at this. So this is ready with new style. Select it and take a match property, modify match property. Here also it is a match property is available. This is also match property. Click on this, or otherwise you go to modify and select it and paste it wherever you want to paste. You can paste here. Click on this, wherever the dimension is there, all everywhere you can change. Here figures are there. Look at this. It gives you clear picture of the object. Correct. So clear picture is visible. Now onwards you can change the dimension like this. Here also which is left. Dear students, now you can understand very easily. So I hope you have understood this. Please practice it whenever you get a class. ನೋಡಿ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ ರೂಮ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಅವಕಾಶ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದಾಗ ಇದನ್ನು ಪ್ರಾಕ್ಟೀಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ. ಸೊ ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಫಾರ್ ವಾಚಿಂಗ್.